Welcome to the last reading of the story about Matilda. This is part 4. I will read the text quite slowly, and you may press the pause button whenever you want. You can then repeat the sentences and practice reading and pronunciation. Now, let's start reading. During the first week of Matilda's visits, Mrs. Phelps had said to her, "Does your mother walk you down here every day and then takes you home?" "My mother goes to Aylesbury every afternoon to play bingo," Matilda had said. "She doesn't know I come here." "But that's surely not right," Mrs. Phelps said. "I think you'd better ask her." "I'd rather not," Matilda said. "She doesn't encourage reading books, nor does my father." "But what do they expect you to do every afternoon in an empty house?" "Just mooch around and watch the telly." "I see." "She doesn't really care what I do," Matilda said, a little sadly. Mrs. Phelps was concerned about the child's safety on the walk through the fairly busy village high street and the crossing of the road. But she decided not to interfere. Within a week, Matilda had finished Great Expectations, which in that edition contained 411 pages. "I loved it," she said to Mrs. Phelps. "Has Mr. Dickens written any others?" "A great number," said the astounded Mrs. Phelps. "Shall I choose you another?"